Welcome to our channel. So today we are going to solve the TryHackMe lab called the Pyrat. Before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our video. So here I have already take our target IP address, and to take the overview, we have used this particular command. So it was taking lot of time. So I have already scanned this our target, and here are the results. Port number 22 and port number 8000 is open, and we know that this particular room is based on a Python. Okay, so using that, what we will do first, we will try to connect it using the NC. Let's check if we are successful or not. Okay, 8000. Let's check. Okay, first check ID if we are able to connect. Okay, so it's not showing any of the result. Let's check test. Okay, so it is running the commands but not giving us the output. So let's check a Python here. For Python we will use the print command, and let's check. Okay, got it. So here we are able to get our system run the Python command. So we will be using the Python reverse shell. We have already got our shell here. I will give all the command list in the description so you can directly use them. What we need is simple. We will be requiring our own IP address 10.201.1. Okay, 10.201.201 dot 112.159. So it is our own IP address. Hope now what we will do, cut this out. Let's copy this and let's check if it get connected or not. Okay, come here, paste this. Let's check. Okay, so it is showing us the invalid. We will invalid syntax. Let's give it a, so that it will recognize our IP address. Okay, again come here, copy, and let's paste it here. Let's check. So it is showing that the connection is refused. So I think wait, we will try to use the telnet and see if we are able to get our connection, reversal connection or not. Okay, 37 port number 1000. Okay, we will use simple one first. Okay, so it is giving the same result as the NSIC our previous command. Let's now check. Okay, so it's also showing that the connection is refused. Okay, so let's wait. What we will do, we will open our another tab. Here we will give our 9001 port open. Okay, let's come here now and let's check if we have got that or not. Okay, so here we go. Yes, we have got our connection. So from this onwards, so it will be a little bit easy one. So we will list all the files we are having. LSLN, sorry, let's check this. Okay, so we have not any permission here. Tell which files it is containing, ls, so we don't have the access. Let's wait, we will make some try and error. Okay, cd can't do. Okay, wait, so we are in bin slash esh possibly. So let's do one thing. Wait, I will try lsla slash root. Okay, so here we go. Here we have find uh, one dev file think and other to known as root. So the first, I think we need to enumerate the user called think, which is in dev. So simple one, ls similar commands, la just dev. Let's check what you got. Okay, so here we go. We have got the cat dot git. Okay, so open this. What we will do? Okay, it will be simple one. We will give it cat slash opt, then under dev, then under dot git, and then config. Okay, config. Okay, so here we go. We have got the password thinking pirate. Okay, here we go. We have got it. Wait, we will copy this full. Got it. Now we will write so, because we need to go and okay, it starts asking a password. Give enter. Possibly now check the id. Okay, so we are under it. So now what we will do, let's check number of files. Okay, so we got it. We'll use tag user.txt. Let's okay, so we have got our first flag. I will give all the list of commands in the description. So here we go. We have got it. And to get the root flag, we need to go to the root. So how will we do that? Okay, so we need to think a little bit. We are currently in think pirate. Okay, so to get, what we will need to do is, I think we need to make a particular, you can say, a script. Using that script, we need to brute force the a root, the password of root. Okay, so let's check if other files are there. No, the snap. So let's check what is in snap. So here is the lxd. So I don't think that is like more usable. So what we will do, I think this was it for this thing. We will come, we will again try to connect this and give it a add this full tab. Okay, we come here. Now what we will do, we will give it a telnet one. Telnet, our ip address, our ip address is here. We'll come here, your ip address, and then our port number, and let's check how it goes. Okay, so now let's check. We will give it admin and check. Okay, so it is asking us a password, so we need that. We will able to let's check. We will able to brute force it or not. Give it admin one. Okay, okay, so we can simply work. Okay, so we can simply brute force this one. So what we will do, let's close the terminal. We will open a new one. Let's check. We'll get one script running. Before that, telnet our IP and 8000 port number. Okay, escape admin. So let's go to ChatGPT, get our script. So after 20-30 minutes of trying, so we got the script. Okay, so we modified this a bit, and now we have got our password. Here it is. So our password is abc123 now. Admin. Now password abc123. Welcome. Now we will type shell. We got it. Who am I? We are root. We'll give ls. So now we have got the root root.txt. So here we go. So in summary, I will tell you what we actually did. So first we scanned our network. We got the two ports open, port number 22 and port number 80. Using the same, what we did was we connected it using our listener, and then on the listener itself we got our first user called a think. Then we logged in think using the password, this password, and after that what we did, we found out our first flag, that is user flag. And for the root flag, we did know that the root user was admin. So what we did, we simple did that we first check if admin user is present or not. We found out that yes, admin is present. So for the password, there was a very simple one password policy was there. As it was using a telnet, our connection was getting reset by after the three times, but our access was not getting blocked. So we made a simple script. This is script, and we ran the script using the telnet and our target IP and port number with the file which is 10k most common passwords, and using this we got our password. So we used this password to log in using the admin. Here it is, and in admin itself we got the root.txt easily. So that's it for